Discover Hirose's HR22K Series, a compact, waterproof, push-on bayonet lock connector built for reliable performance in challenging industrial environments. Key benefits of the HR22K Series include a push-on bayonet lock offers quick, secure connections with easy push-to-mate and rotate-to-release functionality. An IPX7 rating when mated, with excellent water and oil resistance, ensuring durability in harsh environments. A spiral strain relief protects cables from bending damage, improving flexibility for tight spaces. Supporting Cat5e performance with high-speed data transmission for industrial systems. And rated for 2 amps and 140 volts DC, ideal for demanding power and data applications. The HR22K Series is perfect for industrial robots, machine tools, and semiconductor manufacturing equipment, ensuring dependable performance and easy installation. Stay ahead of the curve with the HR22K Series connector. For deeper insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hirose Electric, Connecting the Future.